this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the convenience package, the advanced towing package, and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, you got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, with grip running boards on either side, blind spot detection, and move to the front real quick. We do get that block heater, license plate bracket with recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, storage, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. You do get cup holders and arm space with some nice storage below. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, locks, mirrors, power folding mirrors as well, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.7 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have lane centering and digital speedometer. Looking on your main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Navigation, Settings, and Vehicle Maintenance. Taking a look to my right here, you got your gear select with your speeds, parking brake, auto stop out start, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive. You got your drive modes and tow and haul mode with four-wheel drive. That's rear locking diff and traction, my bad. You got cup holders, some storage here with a wireless charging pad, some outlets. We got your center console here as well with tons of storage underneath with a 12 volt. We got your basic climate controls down here as well as at the bottom of the screen with storage below and above. Now looking at our infotainment system, we do get a Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AM, FM, Sirius XM. We got your vehicle settings right here. Comm screen, auto hold, sounds, all your basic settings. We do get your backup camera here as well. Turn off your park sensing. Go into your tow hitch so you can see what you're doing. And going back, we got our phone navigation, pretty easy to use as well. Zoom in and out. And audio. The load, connect your device, and your tow and haul mode. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE60482, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.